Hi guys, this is my Parkzone Sport Cub S2 and I did a landing gear modification here. So like four months before I bought this plane, and as you know, it's a very great plane to fly, but the only issue is the landing gear. So I had to modify this landing gear because the landing gear tends to bend here, right? And it damages the plastic pieces, damages the fuselage, and it breaks itself as well. So I came up with this idea, and flown already like 3-4 months, so it's proven. So what what I did, I took a wire from here. I don't know whether you guys can see this. Yeah, here the wire comes like that and like this, and it goes and meets with the existing wire, and it's being tied up with a rubber band, right? And then I put these two pieces to cover everything, right? So this is done for an experiment, but it really works, so I didn't wanted to change it. So otherwise I could have done it much good look than this, but it really works. So anybody wants to modify the landing gear like this, go ahead and do it. It really works. So what I really used the material for this wire came from a hanger, just a wire hanger. These all these from hangers. So like nothing, just buy a hanger, cut it and bend it, that's it. And this is from this duct tape, white duct tape from a dollar store, and inside this is a packing material which you can find anywhere. So pretty easy to do, pretty okay, and it works. So it flies really good with this landing gear. Doesn't bend after that. And the rubber band I use is this. This is from a mask. I used for this project a duct tape, white duct tape, rubber bands from a mask, and a hanger, and packing material something like this, but thicker than this, right? So all this, everything for making this landing gear modification. So that's all from me now. See you again another time. Bye.